the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.